Want to add timeless charm and curb appeal to your home? Measuring for fixed mount, also known as decorative shutters, is a breeze. Before we start, you can find a link to download our measuring guide under the Resources tab online. With these 3 simple steps. First, measure the window width from each window, from inside edge to the nearest 1/4 inch. Given that these shutters will not be functioning or able to open and close, you have a little more flexibility on your measurements, and they do not have to be exact. Divide the window width in half if you're measuring for 2 shutters, and write this down on our reference sheet or paper that includes a label for what window this will be for on your home. For example, front downstairs left. Measure the height of each window from the inner edge of the bottom sill to the top of the lintel. As mentioned, given that these shutters will not be functioning or able to open and close, you have a little more flexibility on your measurements, and they do not have to be exact. That's it. Monument Shutters offer a variety of styles and materials to complement your home's unique character. Visit our site or reach out to us directly for a custom quote on your order and free shipping.